Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 4.10 to 4 tire is probably one of the most important components for various applications, ensuring smooth operation and optimal performance. This video will provide an in-depth review of this specific tire and will combination, covering key features, compatibility, and overall value to help you make an informed decision before purchasing. Number 5. Mission Automotive Inner Tubes, 2-pack. Dealing with a flat tire on your outdoor equipment? These replacement inner tubes will get you back up and running quickly and easily. No more extensive repairs. From wheelbarrows and lawnmowers to trailers and more, these durable inner tubes are the ideal replacement for your worn-out tires. They fit a variety of outdoor equipment. Made with premium rubber, it's built to last. It's tough enough for home, professional, or industrial use, a reliable choice for any large wheel. Inflation is a breeze, no special tools are needed. Just remember to use a manual pump to avoid overfilling. It's not designed for road use. With a 10-inch outside diameter, it's the perfect fit for 3.50 to 4-inch tires and wheels. Get back to work quickly and efficiently. What we like. It's made of premium rubber, which is highly durable. It also comes at a very reasonable price. Replacing it is quick and easy, no special tools are needed. If you need a budget-friendly, easy-to-replace tire for your wheelbarrow or lawnmower, this is a great option. What people say. The tires on our hand truck were sometimes inflated and sometimes not. These were a breeze to install once I realized each rim of my hand truck was 2 half rims bolted together. So far, these are holding up great. The stem is bent so that the place you would attach the inflator pump is at a right angle to the plane of rotation, that is, the stem sticks straight out from the wheel. The product arrived quickly and was well protected in transit. Both of our tiller tires went flat and we needed to replace the tubes. These fit perfectly and were relatively easy to install after watching a few videos online on techniques to install tubes. They are durable and seem to be very thick. The valve stem is also well made. They have been installed for about the last 2 hours of tiller operation and have held air with no problem. Work great, and the valve stems can be tightened to the rim to prevent the tube from slipping inside the tire. Number 4. AirPro 10-inch solid rubber wheels. These 10-inch solid rubber wheels are built to last. They're perfect for tough jobs and uneven terrain. Need to replace your old tires? These are compatible with many common hand trucks, wheelbarrows, and carts. They're a universal fit for 10.3-inch diameter tires. They're made from premium rubber and steel for superior durability. These flat-free tires are resistant to wear, punctures, and tears. The sawtooth tread provides excellent traction, while double-sealed bearings ensure smooth rotations and easy handling. These versatile wheels work with a variety of equipment, including gorilla carts, hand trucks, and more. They're ready for any task. With reinforced steel rims and a solid construction, they provide reliable performance for all your outdoor needs. What we like. These are solid rubber tires, meaning you'll never get a flat. They're built to last with premium steel rims and reinforced construction. If you're tired of dealing with flat tires and need a reliable solution for your equipment, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Hard, solid wheel assembly. Nice tread pattern. Does not mark floors or other surfaces. Built very well and no issues on install, look great and rolls great and was a perfect replacement for my flat tires, easy to replace and work well. These fit perfectly on my gorilla cart. They were super easy to install as well. I initially only bought 2 to see how well they would work as replacements for the original inflatable tires and liked them so much I just bought another 2. Number 3. RamPro 10 Tire, 2-pack. These durable tires are perfect for replacing worn-out wheels on your equipment. They're built to last and handle a variety of tasks. They easily fit various equipment such as hand trucks, generators, and lawnmowers. Upgrade your equipment with these reliable replacements. Made with heavy-duty rubber, these tires provide long-lasting performance. The double-sealed bearings ensure even weight distribution for a smooth ride. An outside air stem allows for quick inflation, and they can carry up to 300 pounds each. Enjoy a smooth and efficient operation. The raised grip provides excellent traction, and the 4-bolt hole design enhances performance. These tires are built for reliability. They're 10 inches tall and 3 inches wide, with a 5/8-inch hole size. Remember to use them as intended to maximize their lifespan. What we like. They are heavy-duty and can carry up to 300 pounds. The raised grip provides great traction. The double-sealed bearings ensure even weight distribution. If you need a tire that can handle heavy loads and tough terrains, this is a great option. What people say. The tire and wheels were excellent value for the price and easy to install. It matched the description precisely and the sizes and dimensions were perfect for our garden wagon. Received my order in a timely fashion, wheels were simple to install and are more durable than the ordinal wheels. I installed these 6 months ago on my wife's gorilla cart that she uses to haul 4 watering cans. So she pulls around about 40 pounds, 2 to 3 times a week during the growing season. They were a great fit. So far, they have held up well. They hold air just fine. I may have topped the air off once or twice over the 6 months. Number 2. AirPro 10-inch tire and wheel. These 10-inch rubber tires are a perfect fit for a wide variety of applications, from hand trucks to lawn mowers. Its 5/8-inch axle bore ensures compatibility with many different machines. They're built to last with 100% natural rubber tires and a premium steel rim. The extra thick rubber provides superior shock absorption for a smoother ride. Safety is our priority. These inner tubes feature a heavy-duty design creating an airtight seal, preventing further damage and keeping you safe. The sawtooth treads provide excellent traction, even on challenging terrain. The ball bearings ensure smooth, easy rotations and load balancing. Have questions? Our US-based customer service team is here to help and will respond within 5 hours. We're committed to your satisfaction. This is a 2-pack, giving you a spare for those unexpected situations. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. It's made from high-quality materials, including 100% natural rubber and premium steel. The heavy-duty inner tubes provide an airtight seal to prevent further damage. The thick rubber ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. If safety and a smooth ride are your priorities, this is a great option. What people say. Compatibility. These tires fit my Gorilla Cart Jar 200B perfectly. They look exactly like the ones I took off, but shinier and not flat. Good product. Perfect replacement for my towable fertilizer spreader. Much better quality than original. They're exactly as advertised, fit well. Number 1. AirPro 10 Replacement Tire, 4-pack. These heavy-duty tires are perfect for a variety of applications, from hand trucks to lawn mowers. They're built to last and provide a smooth ride. With a universal design, they fit seamlessly on dollies, wheelbarrows, and more. It's the perfect replacement for your old, worn-out tires. They're made with 100% natural rubber and a premium steel rim for maximum shock absorption. Experience a smoother, more comfortable ride than ever before. The heavy-duty inner tubes create an airtight seal, even if punctured. Your safety is our top priority. The sawtooth treads provide excellent traction, even on tough terrains. The double-sealed bearings ensure smooth, easy rotations. Have questions? Our US-based customer service team is here to help. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. It's compatible with a wide variety of equipment. The premium pneumatic tire provides a smooth ride. The heavy-duty inner tubes create an airtight seal for safety. If you need a versatile, safe, and comfortable tire for your equipment, this is a great option. What people say. Tires are firm and durable and nice traction. Perfect fit, easy to install, well made. Fit perfectly for my son's red wagon. I would recommend them and will buy them again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.